Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish aquarium. First, decide on your tank size. A 20-gallon tank is a good starting point for many beginners. Ensure your chosen location can support the weight, as water adds significant mass. Next, acquire a reliable filter, a heater to maintain a stable temperature, and appropriate lighting for your fish and plants. Planning ahead prevents common issues and ensures a healthy environment for your aquatic friends. Once your tank is in place, it's time to set it up. Begin by rinsing your substrate, like gravel or sand, until the water runs clear. This prevents cloudy water later. Carefully add the substrate to the bottom of the tank, creating a slight slope if desired. Then, install your filter and heater according to the manufacturer's instructions, making sure they are positioned correctly for optimal performance. Now for the fun part, aquascaping. Place your decorations, rocks, and live plants, ensuring they are stable and won't harm your fish. Think about creating hiding spots and open swimming areas. Next, slowly fill the tank with dechlorinated water. A trick is to place a plate on the substrate and pour water onto it to avoid stirring everything up. Finally, begin the cycling process, which typically takes 2 to 8 weeks, to build a healthy bacterial colony. After your tank is fully cycled and stable, you can begin adding fish. Introduce them slowly, floating their bag in the tank for 15 minutes to acclimate them to the temperature, then gradually adding tank water to the bag. Regular maintenance is crucial. Perform weekly water changes of about 1/4 of the tank's volume and consistently test your water parameters. For more great tips and to explore other deals, check the description below. And remember, a well-maintained aquarium brings years of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.